It happened long ago. It happened long ago. Well done. Well done. He always boasts. He always boasts. Just keep saying this. Just keep saying this. He could hardly see. He could hardly see. Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. Where is he? Where is he? The judgment was postponed. The judgment was postponed. He made me difficult to live. He made me difficult to live. What is for dinner? What is for dinner? He fell at my feet. He fell at my feet. What have you got for dinner? What have you got for dinner? He does not listen to me. He does not listen to me. Whatever happens is for the better. Whatever happens is for the better. It's a long story. It's a long story. No matter what happens. No matter what happens. Whatever happens is for good. Whatever happens is for good. He does what he says. He does what he says. Did you understand? Did you understand? He is as good as his word. He is as good as his word. What do you mean? What do you mean? Who stood security for him? Who stood security for him? Do you know? Do you know? All of them have been punished. All of them have been punished. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Hurry up. Hurry up. Are you coming? Are you coming? He has been turned out of the house. He has been turned out of the house. When did you come? When did you come? That's the question. That's the question. Where are you now? Where are you now? The game ended in a draw. The game ended in a draw. Come what may. Come what may. Stop nonsense. Stop nonsense. Don't shed false tears. Don't shed false tears. There is nepotism in every sector. There is nepotism in every sector. How is the family? How is the family? It's even awful to think about. It's even awful to think about. Why fear if in love? Why fear if in love? Nothing special. Nothing special. There is a passage through the house. There is a passage through the house. How dare you? How dare you? Walls to have ears. Walls to have ears. Won't you go? Won't you go? Won't means will not. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. How are you? How are you? By your grace. By your grace. Are you angry? Are you angry? You did fairly well. You did fairly well. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.